We have had this cleanup drive day today, and it's been a very interesting response from people. Especially, it has been wonderful to see kids come and participate and take pride in this. And the whole idea and the concept behind this is to create awareness.
So along with creating awareness regarding this collection drive, we are incorporating or inculcating that into our curriculum also. And this year onwards, as I said, we are dedicating one of our period towards sustainability.
Today is World Cleanup Day. We must take part in such collection drives because the environment is degrading and we need to make it more sustainable and livable for the future generation.
We just try to aware the people about recycling benefits, which is very much necessary in this type of our degrading environments.
Our e-waste is now heavier than Great Wall of China. It contains hazardous material like nickel, lead that can damage brain, lungs, and it is toxic for developing children. So, let us recycle e-waste.